Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Matt in South Carolina on his Ranger RCI X9. Matt, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune-in alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator, electrolytic cap upgrades. You got your order in here just in time for the holidays. This thing will rock and roll. It does great on sideband as well. Let's just show you what we got. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got you set at 2 watts all the way. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 30 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 68 bird average. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 1, 2. Hello, 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 hello. About 165 watts PEP. Let's go over here to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Working about 155 watts on sideband. Alright, Matt is ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas to you. And remember, if you're watching this video, December 10th is the cutoff to get your order in to get a radio by Christmas from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Boom, boom.